Okay, we're going to have a little lesson on adding and subtracting integers. Hopefully this will reinforce stuff that we went over in class. We're going to begin by adding just some basics using a number line, and then we'll go over here and use a T-chart and some different colors down here as another way. Okay, let's start with -5 plus 3. First thing you want to do, you go on your left, find your first number. We have a -5. So I start at 0, find my -5 over here. It's my second number. I've got a +3, so that means I'm going to the right. 1, 2, 3. I land right there. That's my answer, -2. Okay? Remember, negative numbers to the left, positive to the right. So 2 more adding, then we'll move on to subtracting. Let's do 7 plus a -6. First number on the left is a 7. Go to 7 on your number line. Then we have a -6. That means I'm going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and land at 1. That is the answer, 1. Last adding. Let's do -10 plus -10 plus 4. Start to the left at -10, then we're going to go 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Our answer is -6. Now let's do some adding with the T-chart. Okay, we're going to use some different colors here. 5 plus 3, just like our first one was. Now I'm gonna use some shapes and colors down here in my positive side and my negative side, just to give myself some visual clues. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my -5 over here. I'm gonna make my negatives a red color, and I'm gonna just make them X's. So I put 5 X's over here in my negatives, and then I'm gonna make my positive numbers, my +3, black, and I'll make them circles. Okay. For every circle I have, or positive number, it cancels out a negative number, and vice versa. So I have 3 positives. They're going to cancel out 3 negatives. What do I have left? I just have left 2 negatives. That is my answer. You don't have to use this method, but it combines both some visual clues like the number line did, and then you get some colors, and those will also help you. Let's do 7 plus -4. I have 7 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I have 4 negatives. Let's make them red again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I see I have 4 negatives over here. That means it's going to cancel out 4 positives. I'm left with just 3 positives. 3 is my answer. Now let's do some subtracting using the number. Let's start with 4 minus 5. Same thing as adding. Start on the left. We've got a +4, and then we have -5. Means we have to go 5 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is -1. Two more. Let's do 7 minus 3. Start with 7, and I'm going to the left. 3. My answer is 4. Now let's do -2 minus 2. Start with your first number on the left, that's -2, and then I go to the left even more, another -2. My answer is -4. Now let's use the T-chart with subtracting. Positives, negatives. Let's do -4 minus 2. I see in my problem up here, I have no positive signs whatsoever. I've got a -4, and then I have -2. It's two negative numbers. Everything's going to be in my negative side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 1, 2. That makes -6. Let's do 7 minus 3. I make my 7's in my positive column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my -3 over here over my negative column. 3 of these are taking out 3 of those guys. I'm left with +4 is my answer. Again, you don't have to use these methods. If you can breeze through stuff like -2 minus 7 is -9 without these visual enhancements, that's awesome. If you're still having struggle with them, I suggest maybe giving these two options a try, okay? Good luck.